We are in Marshall's and they have a lot of cute items, and I'm just going to show what Mama's going to get because it's already dark outside and I picked her up. So she's going to get this shelf. She's been eyeing this shelf. And how much is this, Mama? To go over her bathroom, $24.99. So that's cute. I think Kirkland's has one similar. We saw one at Big Lots, but the quality didn't look that great and it was really big. And then she's going to get this room spray. It smells really good. It's $3.99. Lemon drop. And then this bath mat, $4.99. And this lunch pail is $12.99. It just has a snap closure, but she likes it. They had it in burgundy and I think another pattern. So there's 2 containers. What's this, an ice pack? An ice pack and a water bottle. Is that all you getting, Mama? Oh, no. And then she's getting the pans, and I'll show you guys that because I'm going to get some too. And they are $14.99. Hello, hopefuls, and thanks so much for coming back to my channel. So I want to share with you just a little bit of items, which cost enough, that I picked up from Marshall's today. Mom and I went to Marshall's. At the beginning of this video, I'm going to share what she got because it was dark and I knew a lot of times I want to share what she picks up, but usually we forget if I pick her up or she picks me up. And it could be, you know, it gets dark early and stuff like that. So I take her home or she takes me home and I don't get to share it. So I made sure I shared it in the store. But yeah, let's get started with that. And I'll make sure I put it before this video. Okay, I guess I'll start over here. So I picked up this Nicole Miller Home table runner, and it has the buffalo check, which I love. I don't know when I'm gonna get tired of it, probably soon. And it is a Valentine's Day decor runner. So this is a really nice runner to where she probably should go on my dining room table, but I think I'm gonna put it on our everyday eating table. I don't know. I'm gonna think and see what exactly I'm going to do. But it was $16.99 and it is 16 inches by 72 inches. And they had some other ones, and as soon as I came in I saw them and I was like, oh. But I really, this year, I always like to shop at the Dollar Tree, Target, One Spot, which I didn't go this year for Valentine's Day. Dollar General has some cute stuff, but I should have went to like other stores like Marshall's, Kirkland's, you know, all those other stores and see what else they had. I went to my Walmart, but my Walmart, they were all gone. But anyway, I like to decorate for Valentine's Day because it's my birthday, and I was like, Hope, you can give yourself a pass and decorate as much as you want. You know, I've always been decorating anyway, but as much as you want on that day. So that's why I picked up this really nice runner. I was looking at some on Amazon, but I'm happy with that one. Okay, so I picked up this Betsy Johnson wallet, and it was $14.99, and they had some other ones. And this is a really nice wallet that has, you know, this little wristlet holder that you can take with you if you're going, you know, to an amusement park, to a football game, or you're just going to pick up your kids right quick down the street. So I also wanted, because it was really wide, she had so many different designs. Most of them, the interior was black, and I wish that they were another color. I'm trying to open this with one hand. One that I immediately went to that I was attracted to was a hot fuchsia pink. But I like this one for some reason. I don't know, it's because Valentine's Day coming up, or it has all the different colors and the gold stitching. So I ended up getting this one, and the reason why I like these is because they're super wide. Let's see, y'all. It's super wide. You can put your ID right here. And a lot of these wallets that are like this, they don't have like the IDs on the outside. So you can just grab your cards right here. And then it also has an inside pocket here for your ID cards. The coin purse is deep. It's not shallow. And then, you know, it has plenty of space. Also, if you're doing the envelope system, this is so perfect to put your envelope in here, or whatever you need to put in this pocket here. So, and then a lot of wallets do not have like this pocket. I always have to put my ID in one of these pockets. So that's why I thought it was cute. They had some other ones that I like too, but I try not to get the same type. So I have several envelope systems. This one, I was watching Erin on Oh My Goals, and she reviewed this one. I have a lot of stuff in my Amazon shopping cart. I had this in my Amazon shopping cart, and I haven't started using it yet, but I like it. It's a binder system, and I'm only just showing you because I was talking about the envelope system. Erin does have a shop on Etsy, and I think it's Oh My Goals too. I hope it is. I'll make sure and link it. But I finally put my, what's this called? The labels on here, and they give you plenty of envelopes. But Erin makes them custom, and I never showed this on my planning channel, y'all. I should have just showed it on this channel. Trying to do this with one. If you're a planner person, you know that this is the Recollections planners that they had some years ago. And Erin has these cash envelopes, this little amount and the item and the starting balance. She has these sheets that come with hers, and I'll take a picture of hers and put it in here because she was so nice to send me some. So I did order these. I have the most. I did order these from Amazon. Someone on Instagram was showing them, and I thought that would be neat. But for the meantime, this was the first system that I came up with, and these were also recollection folders. They no longer, Michaels no longer sells these, so I was using these first. But anyway, I can easily put that in here and take it to the store. And yeah, so that's why I love that. Okay, y'all, moving on. I'm organizing my bathroom. It's something long overdue I wanted to do before I even had Josiah, and it's a mess. So I already did the medicine cabinet, and I'm getting ready to do the ladder next. I need to purge and organize. So last year I bought a bin, which you'll see, and it's similar to these bins. And this bin was $6.99, I believe. And I didn't want a whole bunch on the ladder because I just didn't want a whole bunch of bins because it's, you know, of course it's open. And then this one is $7.99. So they're two different sizes. They did have one more size like this, but I think these two will be enough with that other big one. I love a really nice big mug. So I picked up, I said next time I was going into Marshall's, I was going to get a mug. So I got this one that said Blessed Life. It was Ray Dunn. I had to remember to go back over there. So I was like, remember, Hope, you wanted a big, really nice mug. I love those Christmas ones from Dollar General. And this was $5.99. They had so much Ray Dunn today that I don't know. I don't know why they had so much, but they had so much, like cards, like little organization cards and silverware and just everything, y'all. Not silverware, serving pieces. They had some of everything. So I have seen this before, a cotton organizer, pad organizer, and I just have my stuff just laying on the inside the sleeve in the plastic, just laying on the shelf. So I wanted to make it a little bit more fancy, and these ain't but $3.99. So I picked this up, and then it keeps them sanitized a little bit. It has a little opening there. Also got one of these cosmetic organizers. I don't wear a lot of makeup during the week until I go somewhere, and then I still don't wear a whole lot of makeup, but I have a lot that I need to purge. I didn't show you guys, but I guess I'll show it and do a video on it, what Jason got me. Well, I did show you what he got me for Christmas in that video, but I just have I have a lot of stuff that I don't even use. I need to get rid of it. And so the stuff that I do use, I need a little cute place to put it. So this should fit with the lid on it. So hopefully it will, and it's $6.99. So I'll try to do a little video or organization of my little vanity in the room. And then lastly, I've been needing of a good frying pan. This caught Mama's eye. Mama got one too. And this was perfect because I needed an induction pan for my induction stovetop that I got from Aldi. So this beautiful robin egg color. You can't beat $14.99 for that price for both of them. And it's just really nice. So just perfect, because I even Walmart induction, a lot of their pans weren't induction and they were quite pricey. So you have to look on the side of the box, and it tells you like what kind of stove tops that it's good for. And yeah, so it's a healthy ceramic non-stick. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the very next video. And thanks so much for always supporting. Bye bye.